अस्सलाम बात करने के पहले
सलाम किया करो।
Before talking to anyone, if he is knowing or unknowing person, we should spread the salam. You know, some Sahaba, they are going to the market, but they are not purchasing any item, they are not selling any item. They are just going to tell the salam, they are going to market because they know the value of the salam. So if we have to tell the salam, if we know the person or unknow the person, we should tell the person. इसका हम जानते हैं नहीं जानते उसको सलाम बोलने का वो सुन्नत है। वो साहबा वो लोग मार्केट जा रहा था खाली सलाम बोलने के लिए दूसरा को, क्यों मार्केट में आदमी लोग ज़्यादा होते हैं, इसके लिए वो लोग मार्केट जा रहा था खाली सलाम बोलने के लिए। इट इज टेलिंग द वैल्यू ऑफ द सलाम एंड व्हाटएवर। And one more thing, if anyone telling the salam, we should reply to the salam is compulsory. First, telling the salam is sunnah. If anyone telling salam, the reply, you understood that? And one more thing, if anyone telling the salam, we should reply to salam with increase support. If anyone tell the assalamu alaikum, we should reply the salam with wa alaikum salam wa rahmatullah. If anyone tell the salam assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah, we should reply the salam wa alaikum salam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. We should tell one more thing. That's okay. And what about that? Any other hadith?